Hey friends, if you encounter the critical process died blue screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions and we will stick to three resolutions only. So first of all, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. It needs time, so you will have to wait till it is complete. You can continue with your work meanwhile. If this scan does not work, then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. Now, once these two are sorted out, if it still does not help, then you can perform a clean boot. So, search for system configuration in the Windows search bar. Go to system configuration, go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable or apply OK and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.